Welcome to our channel. While Square doesn't have a traditional low power mode, you can optimize your device's battery life when using Square for payments. Here's how to do it simply. Step 1. Enable low power mode on your iPhone or Android device before using Square. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Battery, and toggle on low power mode. Step 2. For Android devices, go to Settings, then Battery, and enable Battery Saver or Power Saving mode. This reduces background activity while using Square. Step 3. Open the Square app on your device. The app will automatically adjust to work efficiently with your device's power-saving settings. Step 4. Reduce screen brightness while using Square. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access quick settings and lower the brightness slider. Step 5. Close unnecessary apps running in the background. This frees up system resources and extends battery life while processing transactions through Square. Step 6. Disable location services for Square unless absolutely necessary. Go to your device settings, find Square in the app list, and set location access to while using instead of always. Step 7. Turn off Bluetooth when not using Square card readers. Bluetooth connectivity drains battery, so only enable it when processing card payments. Step 8. Use Wi-Fi instead of cellular data when possible. Wi-Fi consumes less power than cellular data while keeping Square connected for transactions. Step 9. Keep your Square app updated to the latest version. Updates often include performance improvements and battery optimization features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.